Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to learn chapter called Measures of Variability, in which we can learn today range, average deviation, which is called AD, quartile deviation, which is called in short QD, and standard deviation, it is SD. So let's see how we can calculate this range AD, QD, and SD. Let's go to the next slide. Now here it is measuring a range. Okay, how we can measure the range? Calculating range, you can see here. So a simple formula, when you get for example, you can see here, when you get a series of data, to know the range of the given data, the simple formula is R is equal to H minus L. Sometime in some books there is a formula given H minus L plus 1, a simple way H minus L. So now here we can see H is the higher value and the L is lower value. Okay, so in given data we can see which is the higher value. In given this data is 100, so H is 100 and L lower value is 5, so L is 5. So R, if we can do 100 minus 5, 95 is the range of the given data. So simple it is. Okay, this way we can understand the range of the given data. Now in next slide we can see how to calculate the average deviation, it is AD. So when people ask you to calculate average deviation, they give only this column called X. So this column they give you. To calculate average deviation we have to make this column small x. It also we can call X minus X bar. X bar means mean. So how to make this column? To make this small x column we have to calculate first mean of this column. Okay, now let's calculate first mean. So we can see here that the score is given 85, 100, 90, 95 and 80. If you add this all value come 450. So summation x is 450, and you can see next slide 450, and n is 1 2 3 4 5, n is 4 5. So 450 divided by n, as we know how to calculate mean. Mean kya hai? How to calculate x bar? X bar means mean is equal to summation x upon n. So summation x is 450 upon n is 5, so our mean is coming 90. If you divide this 450 divided by 5, the answer coming 90. So mean is 90. Okay, now we have to make this column x column. We can also write here x minus x bar also, or we can write small x also. Both the way it is right. So now our mean is 90. So we have to simply do the minus calculation. We have to subtract 85 minus 90, 100 minus 90, 90 minus 90, 95 minus 90, 80 minus 90. So the answer coming 85 minus 90 is minus 5, 100 minus 90 10, 90 minus 90 is 0, 95 minus 95 and 80 minus 90 coming minus 10. Now we have to simply add all these values, so we are getting summation x 30. Okay, or we can also call it summation x minus x bar is equal to 30 also we can say. Okay, now the formula of calculating AD. So formula of calculating AD is equal to summation x small x of course, or summation x minus x bar divided by n. So that value is coming 30 divided by n is 5 of course. So if you calculate this, answer coming AD is 6. So this way we can calculate a range and average deviation. Now quartile deviation and standard deviation we can see in next lecture. Thank you.